Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to remove email account on Android. And here's what we will cover. Open account settings. Select the email account. Remove the account. Let us get started. Step number 1. Open account settings. Open the settings app. Scroll down and tap Accounts and Sync. Step number 2. Select the email account. Under Accounts, tap on the email account you want to remove, such as a Google account or other email linked to your device. Step number 3. Remove the account. Tap More or the three dots in the top corner. Then tap Remove Account. Confirm by tapping Remove Account again to delete it from your device. And that is how to remove email account on Android. And hey, for disclaimer purposes, removing an email account will sign you out of associated apps and stop syncing emails, contacts, and other data on your device. The account itself will not be deleted. Make sure you know your login details before removing it. Steps may vary depending on your Android version and device brand. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart Android tips and tricks. Got any questions? Please drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video. Bye for now.